Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we are going to be looking at another section of new airdrop. Alright, since the hamster, the Catizim, the memfire and the other airdrop that has been lined up for this month is almost over, so it is time for us to start diverting our effort towards other airdrop that are coming up. All right, and this one that I'm going to be showing to you is very new. All right, so let's dive into it. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. All right, so for my current subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Okay, and also for those of you who will just watch my video for the very first time and then hit the subscribe button, you guys are the best. God bless you. All right, every day I always pray for you. I always appreciate God to also support you everything you do. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. All right, let's continue. So let's dive into it. The name of this airdrop is called Captain Tsubasa. All right, Captain Tsubasa. So or you come here, you earn balls by tapping and then completing tasks and then do other lot of things that are coming up later. Okay, so as you know, here you also be completing claiming daily reward, daily combo and daily matches coming soon. All right, and as you can see from here, you also notice that what seems to be matter here is your profit per hour. Here you get your level. All right, okay, so now we'll be looking at to other buttons here, which is the home button, which is where we are now, the boost, the team, the where you can get friends, task and change and wallet. Right, we'll be checking out all these buttons right here. All right, so let's start with the daily reward. If you click on the daily reward, you see that here you can come every day to come and claim your daily reward, like day after the day. I think on the 10th day here you get to receive 5 million of the token. Okay, now these are other tasks you can complete: joining their Telegram channel, X account, and all that, inviting friends and all. Okay, so here you can claim a whole lot of reward for completing the tasks. So if you come to your wallet, here is where you can connect your wallet. All right, I haven't connected mine, but I'll be connecting it immediately I drop this video. So here you can get your referral code for inviting friends. All right, for a friend you invite, you get 5,000 of this, but if you invite a premium account member, you get 25,000 of ball. All right, so this is the team. All right, where you can buy profit per hour and then complete the daily combo for the day. All right, daily combo for the day. All right, so you get the daily combo for the day, you claim 5 million. 5 million is what you get for completing the daily combo. You collect 5 million. All right, so in this channel we'll be uploading the daily combo as well. All right, so you can buy all this to earn where this is where you buy cards to earn profit per hour. Okay, to earn profit per hour. So this is the home button now, which is this place. All right, this is the dashboard. Now when you click on the boost, this is where you can increase your tapping number and also the stamina, your stamina limit. All right, and also full stamina, meaning the amount of your battery, the speed of your recovering what's it called. So then I think the last place to review here is change. this is where you can check the skin that you are using. So the more you upgrade, the more the skin will update. All right, the more skin you get. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. If you want to read about this airdrop, all you just have to do is to come to their Telegram. You can also read what does this bot do. You understand? So you build a dream of football team and earn. You say join captain, teach Tsubasa rival and take charge of your own football team. But upgrade, complete quest, invite friends and build a strong team in the world. Play complete and unlock exclusive airdrop as you rise to the top. Your effort will be rewarded when the token is listed. Date comes soon. It is more than just a game. It is your chance to play and profit. Alright, you can join the Telegram team. Now, one of the wonderful things you need to know about this airdrop is that you see that their community is still very young. Just 500,000 members they have, and this project was just created about not long though. 1st of September with this first update, the second update. Are you getting it? So it's very, very young, so you have a lot of time to maximize your chances of claiming a huge amount of airdrop from this platform. Excuse me. So especially for those of you who have all it takes to refer people. All right, so you can just start now and start mining. You can come through the link in the description of this video and then start claiming your airdrop. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. All right, and for my current subscribers, God bless you. I see the way you're supporting the channel. May the good Lord support you as well, especially for those of you who just watch my video for the first time and then hit the like button and subscribe. God will also like you and also carry your project forward in Jesus' name. All right, guys, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.